Oscar.
Nope, that's a Mayan cichlid.
Cichlid.
Yep. These ones got teeth. See their teeth?
See them?
Mm-hmm. Mayan cichlid.
Checked off the list.
Can you show it up on there?
Two folks, right?
I don't like
Hey.
it.
You see how there's the shadows on it? Try to just hold it in one place. Oops, sorry, fish.
So what was that for?
Mm-hmm.
Look, that fat one. There's a big fat one. There's a big one right in the back.
Hold on, Wyatt.
Oh, they're all piling out now.
Right there, right in front of you.
Oh, here, let me cast it before you stop. Hold this.
It's okay.
Oh, there's a fat. Oh, there's two fat ones kissing. We have a pack out there. Those are gar. Dad, there's two gar. There's two gar out there.
He's got it, he's got it.
Real.
Yep, another Mayan cichlid.
Is he bloody?
No.
This is
They're
colors.
cool colors. Just look at the red on the bottom.
Wyatt, what did you say to the people?
Don't grab him by his, he's got teeth.
Oh.
Yep.
Careful, he's got spines in there too. That'll really get you. Bye.
And now he's gone.
Oh, there's some bigger ones over there.
I know, they're all piling out.
Oh. Whoa, there's a big fat one right over there. I think he's
Look
dying.
at he's like rolling on the bottom.
I think he's dying.
No, I wonder if they're like,
Where?
it's like his bed or something.
Where is
I think he's laying egg.
Where is he laying on the ground? There's a fish.
Dad, want to switch?
Mm-hmm. You could fillet this.
Should we?
No, we don't have a cooler or anything to put them in.
There's a
Oh, you don't have to fry it. We don't have to take them to the house. We just sit them in a pan, leave it out here for an hour, and it'll be perfectly cooked. Should we agree?
Hold on. Let me get you in a better
Just
spot.
a little fish.
Yeah, they're starting to come back out. Oh, there's little ones. Just wait. Oh, you got them. Hey, well,
things violently.
all right. Hey, Wyatt. Oh, it looks like they're coming to look at it now. Just leave it be. Nope, they swim away.
Get it farther out there where they're piled up.
I see a bunch of. There's a big one over here. Oh, a couple fat ones. Oh. We got a nice
I
one.
think I beat yours, Wyatt.
Oh, that's an Oscar. Holy cow, look how big that thing is. What do you think about that?
I think my Oscar's a little bit bigger than yours, Wyatt. Just a little.
That doesn't matter.
Can you help Sasha? If the screen goes blank, if you just touch it, ooh, he's got teeth too. That is freaking huge.
We're frying this one. We should fry this up. We should burn a cooler.
I know. Well, we can come back and do it again. Look at that thing. Oh, now he's all nasty. We'll let him go.
Yeah.
Bye,
Oh,
Oscar.
he's got teeth.
Okay, Dad.
That's a heck of an Oscar.
My turn. Heck of a.
You want a picture with him?
You guys throw him back.
Here, quick. Jeez. Got it.
You gotta throw.
I know. Here, let me see it. I'll get it right to your spot.
There's some more fat ones over there.
Got it.
The fat one.
Oh!
Oh my
Get out of here.
gosh. Like, I want that fish. Sorry, son. You ain't getting this.
Well, he might.
Yeah, you just. Are you gonna throw the fish to him?
I'm not gonna. No, because you're not supposed to feed him. I mean, I will.
I
I'll
mean,
throw it right to him.
well, you'll just throw it back, right?
Oh! Did you get him?
I don't think he got him.
No.
All right, let's get out of here before we get eaten.
Later, by the way, Gator. This
Dad,
might be your great.
Dad, I want to tell
might be
you
your
something. You
pappy's
pushed me and I almost tripped in. You pushed me and I caught my
at him.
foot on something.
So I'd like some more food, sir. Please, sir. Sorry. Oh.
There is the Oscar Patrol.
It's like,
So I guess this fishing spot's done. What do you think? You want to fish with alligators?
I mean,
What
growing.
do you think, Wyatt?
I was
crazy.
recording it on this too.
Oh, were you?